Hey everyone, Sheevaun here, and this little challenge that we're going through, this little blip that we're going through on the planet, I think is an important time for those of you who are staying at home and you're rethinking your entire trajectory of what you want to be doing and how you want to be getting income and doing your work out there in the world. And for, gosh, almost since I've moved to California, I have been working from home. And I think it's really a very different mindset. It's a very different energy. It takes a different rhythm. And we're not trained to do it. We're not given the clues and the sequences. And this is what I do for my clients day in and day out. I have a food company that I'm helping. I have a coach that I'm helping right at the moment. We've helped over many hundreds of folks. I have a school that I'm helping. I have a spiritual center, a crystal store. Oh my goodness, let's see. I have two tech companies. So we've got a lot of folks that we're helping, and we're helping them in many ways. But the way I want to talk about today is online business. So we're not geared toward really doing and communicating in a way that is good and healthy and going to yield a result in an online way. There are a few people who do it, a few people who are super natural at it, but they had to learn too. And so the first time ever, we're gonna do a 5-day challenge to share as much of the information about purpose, rhythm, finding the thing to do that is in your lane or in your wheelhouse for you to do something online and get paid. So we have a client right now who lost 98% of her income because it's in the event business. And within the past 2 weeks, we've helped her reinvent and recreate and create an online presence that she never had before. And an attorney who all of our clientele have dried up for the past, like 3 weeks because of all of this virus thing and all of the fear and us having to be, stay at home. So I want to invite you into the challenge. I think this is an important time. I'm going to go over all of the different elements of what I know and how I can help you unwind and unlock what's inside of you and to really take advantage of what's already out there, where to go, who to get resources from, what to start with first, what to do next, how to really create a sales conversation online. So all of these really important things that I think are going to really give you tools for your future, maybe for your future for good, or maybe just in the interim. Anyway, my name's Sheevaun Moran. We're doing this challenge for you over 5 days, and I'm gonna give you a ton of content. So all you have to do is click the link somewhere on this page and get access, and I cannot wait to see you and help you on the other side of this. Make sure that you understand that we're going to deal with mindset, we're going to deal with schedule, we're going to deal with routine, we're going to deal with nuts and bolts of what to do online, where's the best place to go, when to start, how to start, etc., etc. Anyway, I want to make sure to recover that information with you. So go ahead and fill out the information here on this page, and we'll see you in the challenge. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.